going to help you to answer the exercise for this Friday. In grammar, do or does. Pay attention. When do we use do or does? When you have a question, you need to observe the subject to know if we are going to use do or does. Remember, we can have different subjects. For example, subjects that we can use in a question. You, he, she, we, they, and I. When in our question we have you, they, I, or we start with do. But if our subject is he, she, or it, we use does. So now, observe the question and observe the information. Our subject in the question is she. What do we have to use? Do or does? So we have to use does. Let's make another example. Now we have they eat bananas. First step, we need to identify the subject. The subject that we have in this question is they. So now, what do we have to use? Do or does? I use do with you, they, I, and we. So the answer is do. Do they eat bananas? Now you can answer the exercise of the worksheet. Now let's see how to answer. We have two possible answers. The positive and the negative. Let's see, pay attention. When we have the question, do they eat bananas? And we have a positive answer, we will use the same subject and the same auxiliary. Yes, they do. If the answer is negative, we have to start with the word no, the subject, and the word don't. Remember, for the negative answer we use don't. Now we have another example. We have does he play soccer? We have two possible answers, positive and negative. If the answer is yes, you start with the word yes. Then we use the same subject. Yes, he, and the auxiliary does. Yes, he does. But if your answer is a negative answer, we start with the word no, then the same subject, no, he, and the word that we're going to use is doesn't. No, he doesn't. So, for a negative answer, when we have does in the question, the word that we use is doesn't. So, remember the next, that is very important for your questions and for your answers. We use does with he, she, and it. We use do with I, you, we, and they. With this information, it's going to be easier to answer your exercise. Good luck!